Hey, this is BMR Review here, back with another video. Today, we have for you guys we have Green Goblin and Spider-Man for you guys. New 2024 Raceverse, Hot Wheels Raceverse, Marvel cars. Here's what they have on the back. They have Hulk and Iron Man. Hold on. Let's get right into it. So here's the card art. You can see a little bit of the comic book stuff right on the back. You can see that it's Green Goblin and Spider-Man. We did review Spider-Man before, so we mostly got this 2-pack for Green Goblin, which is cool. Here's the other two packs. There's Hulk and Iron Man. Do we have Iron Man? I think we have Iron Man, but I don't think we have Hulk. But anyway, so it's new for 2024. Green Goblin and Spider-Man Raceverse. Let's check it out. I think we haven't reviewed a Hot Wheels thing in a while, so of course, you do have that orange thing right there, that orange track. These things are expensive. These 2-packs are like $12. But here's both of the cars. We're going to take a look at the one that I'm not that excited for first, which got to be Spider-Man, because we already have Spider-Man. We have Spider-Man out of the package too. Actually, let me go grab him real quick. That way we can kind of see the difference, if there is any. So let me not get this confused. It is blue and red. It's got Spider-Man right there with his web slingers. Here's base. White wheels. Like I said, it's pretty cool how detailed these are, because they get little details in there too, like that. You guys can't see this on the camera, but I can see this right there, and his feet does have that Spider-Man print. And then if you look at the back, that's actually a Spider-Man logo. It's like they make the little things first. But like I said, it's no different from this one. Of course, mine's a little dusty, but yeah, this is the old one. This is the new one. Like I said, mine's a little dusty, but that's because it's been on the shelf. Yep, no difference. Okay, let's get Green Goblin. This is the new car that I was super excited about. So, of course, I really don't like this face for Green Goblin, but it does look like him, kinda. I don't know. I don't like him being all cartoonish like this. It has this bag right there for his bombs. It's pretty cool. It has this on the wheel. Kind of like a Santa hat, maybe, for the Goblin hat. Green eyes. He's got his teeth sticking out. And of course, this is like his Goblin glider. For you guys that have seen this in the movie. Oh, can I? Ah, you gotta be kidding me. If that actually worked. If they were actually moving pieces, that would make this look so much cooler because it'd be like the Goblin glider. Of course, it has green and black wheels. It's all silver on the car. It's got that green eyes with that goblin face that's trying to. But yeah, like I said, if that moved, that'd be cool. Here's the back with his like exhaust pipes. Base, silver, of course. Damn, it's very reflective too. But yeah, let me know how you feel about these two brand new cars from 2024. And the next couple videos will be the 5 days of Christmas. So of course we will have everything set up for that. And I might shoot like a short showing our decorations and stuff set up on the review stand. We do have pretty nice lineup for that stuff. So I see y'all then. Bye now.